everyone, welcome back to Rehana's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys a wonderful Yemeni breakfast with eggs, tomatoes and cream cheese, which is Lehsa. A bit similar to shakshuka, but the eggs are mixed into the stuff. Let's see how we are going to do this. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you can add the chopped onions and saute until the onion becomes light golden. That takes like about 5 minutes. Now you can add the chopped tomatoes and just stir it until the tomato becomes soft and saucy. You can add the tomato paste and mix it until everything combined. Now you can add all the spices: paprika 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, salt to your taste, pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, or you can adjust according to your taste level, and mix it until everything combines well. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes. You can add in a little bit water and mix it well. Add green chilies 4 chopped, and you can always adjust to your taste level. Now you can turn off the heat and crack eggs into the pan and mix. Add the liquid cheese over the eggs. Once you cover the eggs with liquid cheese, you can cover and cook for like 3 minutes on low heat until it's set. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and garnish with some fresh herbs, and you can enjoy with your favorite bread. Lehsa is a simple recipe, but it's flavorful and comes together in just 30 minutes. Plus, it's packed with spices, rich tomatoes and melty cheese, that makes each bite absolutely heavenly. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.